Hi, I'm Mr. Song. Today I installed a special program for my drone. It locks my face and it keeps a constant distance from me. When I get closer to it, it flies away. If I walk back, it gets closer to me. So relax and enjoy this show. Let's take off. I will show my face into the drone so it can lock my face. Alright. He got me. And I turn to the left. And turn to the right. Okay. Come to daddy. Come over here. Don't be shy. Come to daddy. Come over here. Hey, come to daddy. Okay. Turn left. Okay, let's get lower. So down, 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 down. Alright, follow me. Down, down, down. Okay, let's go up now. Go up, up, up. Good, very good. Come over here. Come on. Come to there. And now I will surprise my drone. Wow! Oh, it goes away. So come on, come back. Sorry about that. Come on, come over here. Don't be scared. Come over here. Okay, to the left. To the left. Come over here. And right. And I will scare it again. Wow! Alright. Good. And turn left. Turn left. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Good boy. Good boy. Come over here. Come on. Come over here. Okay. Come over here. Good boy. Alright. How was it? Thank you for watching.